Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Zacconi espresso machine. Now for this machine we replace the boiler gaskets, the ones located right here and underneath the heating element, which there are 4 rods connected to the boilers, and those ones need gaskets as well. But my phone can loads. Oh, perfect. Let me focus the camera. Yeah, we pretty much had to disassemble everything in here, replace all the O-rings on the gaskets, the O-rings from the rods, the rods that go between the boiler top piece and bottom piece, and as well as the heating element. We also make sure that these connections were secure and we're not leaking. We tested the machine for quite a while to make sure there were no leaks, and as you can see, the machine now it's at full pressure, working perfectly fine. No leaks anywhere. We're gonna do an espresso shot. Hopefully I pick up the right current settings for this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee liberated dripping. So here we go. And unfortunately I tampered way too hard, as you can see. It's starting extremely slow. Also it's a bit harder to do it with just one hand while holding a big tablet. But I did tamper a bit too hard. As you can see, it's very thick and has a lot of crema. Good. And once again, the pressure of the machine working perfectly fine. And there you have it, Zacconi espresso machine working once again. No leaking steam or anywhere like that. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.